up in your mood.
Nange biroto byo byakola kayimba natekayo kakuba buli kyenagamba mpulira tewankyawe mi.
Hello, welcome to our channel, Hair World Styles and Smiles, and today we're having a session where this wig has a bit of annoying streaks, gray streaks, and that orange, like when your wig is not looking to the T. And I'm gonna show you how you can fix it by lifting the color of your wig. So today we're gonna dye this wig to uplift the color, to get rid of those annoying streaks, and I'm using red copper color. I did add a little bit of the blonde copper, just a tiny bit touch of blonde copper, because I didn't want it to come out too yellow too, but just lifting up the color and covering all the uneven streaks that were in the wig. So I'm using this spray to spray over the lace to protect the lace from color stain and all. And that spray is holding spray, but it's a mild one, not a strong one, so it will help me not to mess up the lace. So yeah, you could use any other spray you have in store, but trust me, this hack helps you a lot to revive your wig if it has been looking all tacky and messy and dried out, like those I don't know if you've seen those kind of weaves that have those annoying random colors in between. It's not like dead black or brown, but you find that there's bits and pieces in between. So what I did today, I wanted to try out with this color and see how we can balance the color on our wig and get rid of those annoying patterns in the wig. Right, I've mixed my product, the red copper we're going to use, and a bit of copper blonde, just to calm it down, not to look so over the place. And I'm gonna give it for like 30 minutes on. I'll keep an eye on it because I don't want it to be too much to be out there. Just a subtle uplift of the wig, and then I'll wash it off, condition it, and I'll show you how it looks like after.
Long time no see, mondikumi mwanga mbozi. I used to be yours, ngatufanaga no kile michozi. Nange chenye no, niwande keke no. Mazigane nakuba bitwala, nomukwano go bagutwala. Ngafune yamanya munaku, yamanya ne watali sanyu. Yagumira obunafu bwange, nagumire naku yange. Sikwe wana lafu jampa dendete dokulowozako, rinete dokulowoza.
Caught up in your mood. Yeah, examine your mood. I'm caught up in your mood. I'm caught up in your mood.
Nange biroto byo byakola kayimba natekayo kakuba buli kyenagamba mpulira tewankyawe mikisa n'ogulira kasuubire nti byendi byoli ne munno boyfriend twali fembye byalema nsuubira bikuba zenafune yamanya munaku yamanya ne watali sanyu yagumira obunafu bwange nagumire naku yange elize nga nteka mu mudu ajoba nfune mundu kumya bamwegomba bajjudde obusungu.
Caught up in your mood. Yeah, exile in your mood. Mood. Caught up in your mood. Mood. Caught up in your mood. Mood. Caught up in your mood. It's Clam Africa.
Batman Records. Sikwe wana kuno sikwe wana lafu jampadde netedde okulowoozaako netedde okulowooza.
Caught up in your mood. Yeah, exile in your mood. Mood. Caught up in your mood. Caught up in your mood.
Such an elegant color, and I am telling you, don't throw away your wig. You can revamp it, you can revive it, you can set it free from all the stress, even the ones you've been straightening a lot, and you can see like they kind of feel dried out, and you can apply something, like you can do a color, and you can deep condition it, you can apply the oils. I mean, like, treat these wigs as your own hair. And if you're not going to use it for that time, you can safely have a mannequin like that and keep your wigs in one place. You can place it on nicely and get a net or hair bonnet or something and just cover it, let it set. When you're ready to use it, it will be fresh, it will look so healthy and vibrant. I'm telling you, you have nothing to lose.